In order to access the platform, you'll need to either log in or create an account if you don't already have one. You'll need a unique patient email address and to set up a password. On this screen, please fill in your information in the respective fields. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. You can choose from a few different options. The cogwheel, which allows you to change your notification settings as well as review terms and privacy policy documentation. Edit allows you to change basic registration fields. Vitals to add different details on a daily basis. Lab results in order to upload lab result documents. Images and documents to upload other images and files. And history to review the information that you've already added. In the Vitals section, you can add your measurements such as blood pressure, temperature, and blood sugar levels. You'll see your trends available on the dashboard. Click on the plus button at the top right to add a measurement and begin entering your values. In the lab results section, you can add standard test documents and the system will scan them for you. Click on Add Results or the plus button at the top. Then click Scan Document at the top, or use the search bar to choose a specific test result that you want to enter. To add your medical conditions, click on the Conditions icon on the left panel. Add one condition at a time and search for your condition using the search bar. A list of options will appear. Select the one that best describes your current condition. You can change the severity as well as the start date. On the next page, you can add any symptoms you have related to the condition. Click Next to add any medications you're using to treat your condition. You can ask the pharmacist to help you to enter the medications if you wish. Select your treatment and then click Done. Add all of your conditions and related symptoms as well as treatments. In the Treatments tab, you can set reminders for the medication that you're taking. You can set how often you take your medication and select recurring treatment if it's a daily medication. You can also set when you're due to stop taking the medication, and the system will remind you when you need to take the medications that you have set. The dashboard gives you 6 options. Online treatment or advice allows you to get in contact with a pharmacist on duty immediately without having to book an appointment. You can also register for the MedBox program, fill a prescription or request a refill, which connects you with a clinical pharmacist. Book in-person services allows you to book an appointment at one of the pharmacy locations. Book telehealth services allows you to pre-filter based on conditions and symptoms and book a virtual appointment. Or Chat with My Pharmacist, which allows you to browse through the list of all clinicians and book a virtual